If I go to hell, so be it. I will hang myself in front of you. Ganon ako gagago. No excuses. No apology. Your Honor, if there is an iota of truth, ayuta lang, baski konti lang. You can find out, may nilagay sa ng records. Now, I'm willing to execute an affidavit or kayo na lang to summon the banks pursuant to my waiver kung may